Welcome to a fascinating journey into the animal kingdom where we uncover nature's strangest secrets on the Animal Story Channel today. Have you ever wondered why dogs sometimes seem stuck together during mating? It is a peculiar sight that puzzles many people. This phenomenon is not an accident, but a highly evolved biological mechanism designed to ensure the survival of the species effectively. To understand this behavior, we must look deep inside the unique anatomy that separates canines from almost all other mammal species. Unlike humans or many other animals, the male dog possesses a distinct bone structure within its reproductive system called the baculum. This specific bone allows for copulation to begin even before the male is fully aroused, which is a key evolutionary advantage. However, the most critical part of this mechanism is a specific area at the base of the organ called the bulbus glandis. During the mating act, this gland fills rapidly with blood, expanding to a size much larger than its original resting state. Simultaneously, the circular muscles of the female's reproductive tract contract tightly around this swollen area, creating an inescapable physical bond instantly. This creates the phenomenon known as the tie, effectively locking the two animals together for a significant period of time safely. It is crucial to understand that this lock is physical, and trying to pull them apart can cause serious injury to both. The duration of this tie varies greatly, typically lasting anywhere from 10 minutes up to 40 minutes depending on the individuals. Once the lock is secure, the male usually dismounts and turns around, lifting one leg over the female's back very carefully. This results in the classic back-to-back position, where they stand facing opposite directions while remaining physically connected by the reproductive tie. While it may look uncomfortable to human observers, this position is natural for dogs and allows them to rest during copulation. To understand why they turn back to back, we must look at the evolutionary challenges their wild ancestors faced in the dangerous wilderness. In the wild, mating is a vulnerable time when animals are distracted and physically compromised, making them easy targets for predators. By facing in opposite directions, the pair effectively covers a full 360-degree field of view to monitor their surroundings completely. This formation allows them to spot potential threats approaching from any angle, giving them a chance to prepare for immediate defense. It is a classic defensive stance, ensuring that no enemy can sneak up on them unseen while they are physically attached. Although they cannot run away easily, this position allows them to use their teeth and claws to fight off attackers effectively. Beyond defense, there is a compelling biological reason for this prolonged connection related to the successful transfer of genetic material. The tie ensures that the sperm is deposited deep within the female and prevents leakage, significantly increasing the chances of pregnancy. Furthermore, by remaining attached for a long time, the male effectively blocks other rival males from mating with the female immediately. This behavior is a form of mate guarding, ensuring that his sperm has the exclusive opportunity to fertilize the female's eggs. In the game of evolution, passing on one's genes is the ultimate victory, and this mechanism maximizes the male's paternity success. To appreciate this unique strategy, let us compare the dog's behavior with that of the cat, a solitary and stealthy hunter. Cats have a very different approach. Their mating process is extremely quick and often happens multiple times with different partners rapidly. Because cats are solitary animals, staying connected for a long time would be too dangerous, leaving them exposed without pack protection. Dogs, however, evolved as pack animals, living in social groups that provide a safer environment for prolonged activities like mating. This social structure affords them the luxury of time, allowing for the evolution of the tie mechanism without immediate fatal consequences. Thus, the difference in mating duration is a direct reflection of their contrasting lifestyles, the solitary hunter versus the social pack. Now let us turn our attention to the female dog and her biological clock, which dictates when this process can occur. Female dogs typically go into heat or estrus only twice a year, usually corresponding with the spring and autumn seasons. This infrequency makes every mating opportunity critical for reproductive success, further explaining why the locking mechanism is so essential for conception. While they may reach sexual maturity earlier, the ideal age for breeding is around 1.5 years old typically. Breeding too early can be detrimental to the mother's health, as her body needs time to fully develop and mature. Waiting for the third heat cycle ensures the female is physically and mentally ready to handle the stress of raising puppies. The mating process involves complex hormonal signals and behavioral cues that ensure both partners are ready for the physical commitment involved. Males can detect a female in heat from a great distance due to powerful pheromones released during her fertile window period. When the female is ready, she will stand still and move her tail to the side, inviting the male to approach. Once the connection is made and the lock is engaged, the pair enters a state of calm endurance for the duration. If you witness this, patience is key. Never try to separate them physically, as nature will release the bond when finished. Eventually, the swelling subsides, the female's muscles relax, and the pair can separate naturally without any pain or injury involved. After separation, they often groom themselves and rest, completing a biological ritual that has sustained their species for thousands of years. From the tiny Chihuahua to the massive Great Dane, this reproductive mechanism remains consistent across all breeds of domestic dogs globally. It serves as a powerful reminder that despite domestication, our canine companions still carry the wild instincts of their wolf ancestors. Nature's engineering is often strange to our eyes, but every mechanism has been refined by evolution to ensure life continues. Understanding these behaviors helps us appreciate our pets not just as companions, but as complex biological beings with deep history. As we learn more about the reasons behind their actions, we can provide better care and respect for their natural needs. So remember, the bone structure, the locking tie, and the defensive turn are all parts of a brilliant survival strategy. The next time you see this happen, you will understand the fascinating science and history unfolding right before your very eyes. The world of animals is full of such wonders, waiting for curious minds to explore and understand the truth behind them. We hope this deep dive into canine reproduction has answered your questions and sparked a greater interest in biological science today. Every creature on this planet has a unique story to tell, written in their DNA and expressed through their daily behaviors. Knowledge brings us closer to the animals we love, transforming simple observation into deep understanding and empathy for their natural instincts. If you enjoyed learning about the secret life of dogs, please consider supporting our channel for more educational content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest discoveries from the amazing animal kingdom. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what other animal mysteries you would like us to solve. Thank you for watching Animal Story Channel. See you in the next video, where we continue to explore nature's greatest stories.